Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the front and rear cameras on the Huawei P30 Lite mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. Here we are using a heating pad to remove the back cover. Place the back cursor on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the back cover. In between, insert a plastic carpet tool and gently cut the adhesive. While taking out the back cover, be gentle, the fingerprint plug is attached to the back cover. Next, to remove the bracket and the shield, undo 10 screws on the board. Next, take out the board's main bracket, left bracket and fingerprint connector shield. Next, unplug the battery and fingerprint connectors to release the back cover from the body. Next, disconnect and remove the not working front camera from the board. Next, disconnect and pull out the 3-in-1 rear camera unit from the board. Next, secure the new back camera unit by securing 3 plugs. Next, place and secure the new front camera on the board. Next, secure the fingerprint and battery connectors to the logic board. Next, place the fingerprint shield and 2 brackets on the frame by securing 10 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we add in binding clips to fasten the back cover. Leave it for some time and remove it. If not, use some rubber bands to tie in the back cover. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.